Hey there, fifth graders. This is Mrs. Artuzzi, your favorite and only language arts and reading teacher. And I'm going to be making some videos for you this year. This video is specifically about sentences, and I really want to make sure that you understand what it means to write in a complete sentence right from the very beginning. So you're going to see some units that I've created, and within these units, there are I can statements, just like the one on this screen. The I can statement is exactly what you think it is. It's basically what I want you to know by the time we're done with the unit. So I can learn about complete sentences, or I can recognize a subject and a predicate, those kind of things. So really important, the guided video notes. Basically, you will be watching this video and you'll be taking notes. So whenever you see a green border, that is when you take out your writing notebook. Mine looks like this. It's kind of fun. You can use any notebook at all. And within the green border, whatever you see, you're going to be writing in that notebook. So right now, you should pick up your notebook and write down today's date and write, I can locate the subject and the predicate to determine if a group of words is a complete sentence. I'll make sure all this stuff on the screen is out of your way. You can always pause the video also. So one thing, this is not really a secret, but you are allowed to use your writing notebooks, anything you write in them, on the mastery checks. And a mastery check, if you're not sure what that is, it's just like a quiz. So it's the way that I can make sure that you understand what it is that I've been teaching you. So today we're going to be learning about the subject and the predicate of a sentence. Basically, the subject contains a subject noun. It's the what or the who, what or whom the sentence is about. The predicate is where the action happens, and that usually has the verb. So again, on this slide, you will see the green box and a little pencil to cue you in. Oh, Mrs. Artuzzi wants me to take out my notebook. So you're going to have that notebook handy, and you're going to write down what's right here. I won't read it to you each time because you can all read, but I will talk through as we go. So again, the subject of a sentence asks what or whom, and the verb is the predicate is the action that's being done. And again, that would contain the verb. I'm going to go to the next slide. And this is just an example of one of these. I'm going to practice it for you. This is my family. We went on a little vacation this summer, and I really like to find the subject and the predicate by asking questions. So I would read the sentence first in yellow that says, my family traveled to Disney Springs this summer. Then I would ask who or what. And since it's people, I would say, who traveled to Disney Springs this summer? And then I would answer my own question. Family, subject noun. Then I would say, what is being said about family? Family traveled. That's what we did, so that's the verb. Once you find the subject noun and the verb, then you can really figure out the subject and the predicate from there. So I'm going to do a little practice here. I won't do all of these. I'll do a few. But here's my pen, and I'm just going to underline the complete subject once and the complete predicate twice. And then you're going to have an activity just like this. So the lumberjacks prepared the tree. Okay, I'm going to say, who prepared the tree or what prepared the tree? The lumberjacks did. Subject noun. So that's probably my subject, my complete subject. And then I'm going to ask the question, what is being said about lumberjacks? Well, lumberjacks prepared. So prepared is the verb, and that means that prepared the tree must be the complete predicate. Sorry for my squiggly lines. I'll do one more. I need an aspirin for my headache. Who needs an aspirin? I do. And what is being said about I? Well, I need is the verb. I need an aspirin for my headache must be the complete predicate. So that's a quick tutorial there. I'm going to clear the screen and we're going to go ahead. So as we look ahead here, let's see if I can get my technology to work. I'll put the pen away. And here we go. So for example, the subject of the last sentence was the lumberjack. And what did that lumberjack do? They prepared the tree, or he prepared the tree. So those are the kind of things I want you to kind of get used to. You should be watching the video, and when you see the green boxes, you should be taking the notes. So if you were taking notes today while I was speaking, your notes should look something like this. You can literally copy those down in your notebook and then have those on the mastery check. And again, those mastery checks are important because they will turn into somewhat of a quiz grade into our grading book. So go ahead and write those down. If you have questions, you can always work with a partner. You can rewatch the video before you take the mastery check. You can use your notes on the mastery check. All right, guys, it is your turn. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to be looking through and you're going to find a worksheet that looks similar to this right here. And it's going to be on the back table. You'll have a paper copy of it. And you're going to do exactly what I did. You're going to underline the complete subject once. You're going to underline the complete predicate twice. And then you're going to turn that into the tray. So good luck.